No sleight of hand magic.
Welcome to No Sleight of Hand Magic. I am RonStone, and I created this channel for two reasons. Number one, I am terrible at sleight of hand. My false cuts are a mess. My pinky breaks are obvious, and I refuse to either crimp or, even worse, put double-sided tape on my cards. The fact is, you don't need sleight of hand to be a great magician. I'm assuming that there's others out there, like me, who are tired of watching hours of card trick tutorials on YouTube only to find out that they require you to use sleight of hand. All of the card tricks featured on this channel require no sleight of hand ever, which leads me to the second reason why I created this channel. Number two, I don't want anybody to feel isolated because they cannot do sleight of hand. Don't stop pursuing magic just because you have clumsy fingers like me. I truly believe that presentation is the most important part of any magic trick. Take a look at how much better a card trick can become with just a little bit of presentation and confidence.
Okay, so now I'm going to deal down the cards. And this is your card, the Ace of Diamonds. Okay, so now I'm going to start to deal down these cards and see if I can spot yours. Not yet. Hold on, not yet. Okay, we're going to stop right here. Stop right here. Remember, you cut the cards, but because I have X-ray vision, I was able to go through and spot your card, the Ace of Diamonds.
Isn't that amazing? And after all, you're the magician. Be confident. Draw the spectator in. Never be afraid to embarrass yourself. And remember, it's kind of fun to do the impossible. Let's start the show.